Hey, alright everybody. Now, my Meriva B has been playing up lately. The engine's been missing. So I put my my Obi-Wan Kenobi. I put my OBD2 scanner into the car and it came up as it was missing on spark plug cylinder number 1. So, but it was only doing it when it was getting warm, after about driving for about 20 minutes. Before that, it was fine. So I looked on a few forums, and it did say that the coil pack suffers from corrosion. So that was my next call, was to take off the coil pack and see if I had corrosion on it. So the next few clips were taken with my my mobile phone. It was a little bit windy. The birds were tweeting. There was an ambulance going back and forth in the background. So there's a bit of noise going on. I'm sorry about that. But anyway, let's play the clips. Use a video on if your car's missing on a Meriva. For some reason, I don't know if you can see down there, corrosion on the first spark plug there, second one's okay, third one's okay, and the fourth one is terrible, really bad. And if I go and look in the coil pack, oh, I can't, it's hard to see. I'm trying to get the light. If you look in there, there's a spring, that's corroded, that one's okay, this one's okay. This one here is not even poking out for some reason. It's stuck down in there. So we can get a light on that. See if we can get the light on it. Right, can you see in there? The spring that's supposed to touch the spark plug is jammed in there. I don't know if it's snapped or corroded, but this seems to be a massive problem on Merivas. I've looked on the forums and stuff, and I've seen people mention that the spark plugs get corroded, and for some reason it only happens when the car gets warm. It runs fine, and when it gets warm it starts missing, and I think this is the problem. So if you're having a problem like that, check your top of your spark plugs and your coil pack. I'll try and refurbish this coil pack, see if I can get this spring clean and new. I have got a new set of spark plugs, so I'll see how that goes. But anyway, just a quick video to tell you that coil packs and the spark plugs, I don't know, it must be letting water in somewhere. I can't see any water in at the moment, but it must be coming down and getting moisture in there and there for some reason. So at this point I thought I could get away with just changing the spark plugs and clean up the coil pack, but the next clip will show that there was no chance of me cleaning the coil pack up. The coil pack was kaput, it was broke, it was done. Well, you'll see in a minute anyway. Let's play the next clip. You can actually pull this off like this, the rubber cover. If you pull it off gently, like this, you see the spring in there. It hasn't broken, it's just got a bit of corrosion on it. So I'll clean that off gently. I'll do them all, and let me just look at this one as well, because this one looks worse actually. It's hard to film and do it at the same time. Anyway, let's take this one off, because I think this one looks more corroded. Let's look. This one, oh look at that there, look. See? It's come out, look. It's no good, so I need a new coil pack. So I have to definitely get a new coil pack. I don't know why it corrodes like this. It's actually melted there as well, look. And it's melted there because it's got a bad connection. So there we go. Check your coil pack. If you're getting missing, check your coil pack. Check there. I reckon if I pull this one out, this will be, actually, that one will come out, but you can see coil pack is no good now. That's not supposed to come out of there. So I definitely need a new coil pack, and I found the problem. Okie dokie then. So this last bit here is just me briefly explaining how you take the coil pack out. It's really simple to take the coil pack out, so I'll just show this bit now. Okay, to get to the coil pack, lift this cover off here. It just unclips and clips back on. Right, so it just unclips there, and then you can lift it off out of the way. So once the cover's off, go over here, pull this orange clip out, press down, pull that out there. Then you get a T30, and you undo both these two screws all the way, and then once they're out completely, you can take the coil pack out. Once your coil pack's out, you can have a look at it then. So there you go. It's quite easy to take the coil pack off, have a quick look, and see if that's your problem. If the Meriva B has got a bit of a miss on one of the spark plugs. Anyway, if this video was any help or you enjoyed it, give it a like, and also it'd be great if you could subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.